Hello everyone, welcome to Academy of Four Sciences. This is Pushpendra Tripathi and today I'm here to let you know the layout and structure of our online as well as offline classes. Yes, you heard it right. बिल्कुल सही सुना आपने. हमने हमारी ऑफलाइन क्लासेस भी स्टार्ट कर दी हैं. सी ड्यू टू कोविड हम सभी को कुछ ना कुछ एडजस्टमेंट्स करने पड़े. बट ड्यूरिंग दिस पीरियड वी गॉट टू नो द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ ऑनलाइन क्लासेस एज वेल. पर ऑफलाइन क्लासेस तो ऑफलाइन क्लासेस होती हैं. They have their own importance. So guys, hurry up because the new batches for both online as well as offline classes are starting from the 10th of March. The registrations are open. You can register yourself on our website. The link is given on the screen as well as in the description below. So now let's see the key features of AES. What makes AES unique? AES को unique बनाता है first and foremost its value system. AES value system revolves around three important things: truth, transparency and commitment. देखिए, हम सिर्फ एक बेसिक प्रिंसिपल फॉलो करते हैं. Whatever we think, we say, and whatever we say, we do. We present to you what we actually are. हम आपको वही प्रेजेंट करते हैं जो हम खुद हैं. Next key feature is best faculty. We all know faculty defines an institution. कोई भी इंस्टीट्यूशन उनकी फैकल्टी से जाने आता है. एंड AES हैज़ अ टीम ऑफ हाईली कॉम्पिटेंट फुल टाइम फैकल्टीज एंड दे आर नॉट जस्ट हियर फॉर द नेम सेक. सिर्फ और सिर्फ नाम छापने के लिए वो यहाँ पे नहीं है. दे विल स्टे विथ यू एंड गाइड यू थ्रू आउट योर जर्नी एट AES. Among us, we have GATE AES 6 rank holder and faculty from different IITs such as IIT Kanpur, IIT ISM Dhanbad, myself from IIT Kharagpur. Not only this, सिर्फ इतना नहीं है. We have a dedicated faculty for general studies as well, जिन्होंने सिर्फ CDS क्वालिफाई नहीं किया है, but have also been to the interviews of CA, PF and SSC CGL as well. Additionally, यहाँ पे भी खत्म नहीं हुआ है. You will receive continuous guidance from researchers from University of Michigan, different geoscientists, assistant geologists, assistant hydrogeologists, and geologists and geophysicists from Schlumberger and Coal India as well. See guys, we understand that a teacher can make or break a student's career. So we never ever compromise on the quality. Pattern-proof teaching methodology. AES always prepares students in a fundamental way. हम students को जो भी lectures provide करते हैं, be it in online or offline classes, they are being prepared by keeping in mind that students don't know anything about geology, but the name of the subjects. उन्हें सिर्फ सब्जेक्ट्स के नाम पता हैं. इस तरीके से हम अपने लेक्चर्स प्रिपेयर करते हैं. बिकॉज सी वी अंडरस्टैंड दैट मैनी ऑफ द जियोलॉजी स्टूडेंट्स लैक द बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द कॉन्सेप्ट्स. बट हियर एट AES वी बिल्ड कॉन्सेप्ट्स. वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द वेरी बेसिक लेवल. सी जैसे टेस्टिंग पैटर्न कोई भी एग्जाम्स का, कोई भी कॉम्पिटेटिव एग्जाम्स का चेंज होता रहता है. जैसे इस बार हमने गेट में देखा. बट किसी भी कॉम्पिटेटिव एग्जाम्स का की एक्सपेक्ट क्या होता है? The key aspect of any competitive exam is to judge the analytical ability of the students along with the understanding of the fundamentals. And students who have a sound understanding of the fundamentals and have practiced various types of problems will always outperform those students who confine their preparation to a particular set pattern rather than understanding the concepts. देखो यार, जियोलॉजी बहुत लोग पढ़ाते हैं बट समझाते बहुत कम है. बट हियर एट AES हम आपको पढ़ाएंगे भी और समझाएंगे भी. द विनिंग मैथोडोलॉजी. Our methodology makes the students capable of solving any complex and tricky problems by improving and sharpening their analytical skills and improving their parallel thinking process. See guys, here at AES हम सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपको जियोलॉजी, जियोफिजिक्स, ओशनोग्राफी, क्लाइमेटोलॉजी, जनरल स्टडीज़ इन सब के लेक्चर्स प्रोवाइड नहीं करेंगे. इसके साथ साथ वी गिव स्पेशल इंपॉर्टेंस टू एप्टीट्यूड, न्यूमेरिकल्स एंड बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स ऑफ फिजिक्स एंड केमिस्ट्री एज वेल, बिकॉज वी अंडरस्टैंड द रोल ऑफ एप्टीट्यूड इन एनी कॉम्पिटेटिव एग्जाम्स, लेट अलोन अ जियोलॉजी रिलेटेड वन. स्टूडेंट फ्रेंडली क्लास स्ट्रक्चर. द क्लासेस विल टेक प्लेस 5 days a week, that is from Monday to Friday, and the duration of the classes for online students will be of minimum 2 to 3 hours depending on the topic, and for offline students it will be of 3 to 4 hours. And on Saturday you will be given a break. सैटरडे को आपको ब्रेक दिया जाएगा सो दैट यू कैन कलेक्ट एंड कंपाइल ऑल योर डाउट्स, because on Sunday we conduct a live doubt session for the online students to clear all their doubts regarding any topics, any subjects that have already been taught to them. और ये नोट करके लिख लीजिए, there is absolutely no limit on the number of views and watch hours. आप जितनी बार चाहें, जब चाहें लेक्चर्स देख सकते हैं. The lectures will be available to you during a whole duration of the course. और ऑफलाइन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए लेक्चर्स तो फ्री ही हैं. The total success approach. We prepare students for all geology related examinations such as GATE, CSIR NET, ID JAM, BHU, UPSC GSI, IAS, IFOS, students having geology as an optional, and other state examinations. The details of the course and their respective fee structure is given in the description below. Innovative programs and concepts. Innovation is the essence at Academy of Earth Sciences. We are the experts in designing and conducting exceptional test series. The quality of our content in our test series is evident to all by now. We believe in devising original questions rather than just copy pasting previous year questions and changing their numerical values. And apart from topic wise and subject wise tests, we also conduct all India test series named as Evolution. This exam is solely focused on enabling students to learn through assessment, analysis, and identification of knowledge gaps. Research and development. We have a dedicated team for research and development that ensures that our teaching methodology, study material, and course structure is constantly updated. They keep a keen eye on all the latest developments and changes in all geology related examinations and swiftly incorporates them in our course curriculum. For IAS, IFO students having geology as an optional, our team has prepared well-crafted series of lectures and study materials whose structure will be discussed thoroughly in our next video. So guys, we have been working on something much bigger than this. Mark this day and mark my words. It's not just a promise, it's a commitment.